The Central Valley has reached a grim milestone, 50,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases. And as counties continue to work to fight the virus, the state is now battling more than the pandemic. CBS 47's Jocelyn Moran with the story.
California nears 650,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Of those, 50,000 are in Fresno, Tulare, Kings, Merced, Madera, and Mariposa counties. The pandemic hitting the state's most essential and vulnerable.
Today, we're reminded as we reach this milestone that people are still working. Our essential workers haven't stopped working since March. It is a reminder to leaders here in the Valley that we must continue to do more to protect them.
A bit of good news in Fresno County. Hospitalization slightly down from a month ago. On July 20th, 307 people with COVID-19 or suspected of having it were in the county's hospitals. Today, that number at 273.
The hospitals are doing pretty good comparatively, but there's still a concern about ICU beds.
64 COVID or COVID suspected patients are in the ICU, up 10 from a month ago. Dan Lynch, the county's emergency medical services director, says the medical teams with the Department of Defense have been essential in supporting the ICU, but they could soon be leaving the valley.
We have them for 9 more days. So we've asked the state to give us at least through September to extend it. And if they can't do that, at least give us 2 more weeks.
Lynch says as of now, there's no immediate plan to open the alternate care site in the convention center. But he says they were notified that the Porterville alternate care site is not taking new patients because the state medical team assisting them is now needed to help support the fires in Northern California.
They have to move these medical assets where they're needed the most. And so we're going to help support that movement.
Resources stretched thin as the state battles wildfires in the midst of a pandemic. Jocelyn Moran, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.